Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in today's video, I'm going to be creating a tablescape for one. So let's get started, guys. Now let's take a quick look at the tablescape for one. So the black tablecloth, that was a thrifted item that came from the Salvation Army. Also we have this placemat. I bought a set of two, but we only needed the one. It was black and silver. I got that at Dollar Tree and they're very beautiful. So now this was the DIY vase. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm liking the shape more. So it really looks, I just love the way this looks. So I also created this bouquet of florals that I thought I would place on top of that vase. Looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. Now the charger came from Hobby Lobby, and then I made a cute little candle stand. I put some pearls on the bottom of a Dollar Tree candle, mirror candle coaster, and then I went ahead and just placed one of the Dollar Tree white candles on top, and there you go. So that's set. Again, the charger came from Hobby Lobby, and now we're gonna look at the dishware, and believe it or not, they came from Dollar Tree. So the faux leather sleeve that the utensils are in, that came from Walmart, but the utensils themselves came from Aldi, and what a great buy that was. Now the cloth napkin, that was a thrifted item, and then believe it or not, that gold tie, I got that from the Dollar Tree from their hair accessory section, and I absolutely love the way these ties look. Don't they look so feminine? Okay, so the wine glass came from the Dollar Tree, and then the water glass was a thrifted item from the Goodwill. Lighting the candle. Now it's time to head on over to the reveal. I think this is a beautiful table for one. Okay, now isn't this tablescape so beautiful? Who says you can't dine? And even if you're dining by yourself, who says you can't treat yourself? No. I think it looks gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.